Alright, so we have several different pieces here. Looks like they're stacking them, gluing them together. Now this looks like it could be like a bookend of some sort, maybe like a shelf. Oh, wow, that is cute for the coffee mugs hanging up in the kitchen. Oh, brilliant. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have another DIY that features a wooden piece. So if you are new to the channel, one thing you should know about me is that I like to guess what the person is making before they are showing us the finished product. So I'm just gonna guess another shelf. Oh, it's like a hanging sign that says home. Oh, it looks like she did the E backwards there. Or is that just me? Maybe it's the way the camera is set up. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Oh, that's cute. Okay, she should totally paint this though, the home part, into like a different color. It looks cute though. And then we have a DIY. This one looks like it features some cardboard. Some type of like bucket, handle, some contact paper. So if you guys do feel inspired by these DIY project ideas, please be sure to like today's video. Let me know which ones you might be attempting to try out yourself. I'm very curious to know. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you are not already a subscriber. If this is your type of jam, you get to watch DIY project ideas. Most of these we know we're not going to do ourselves, so we just want to look at them. So if you're that type of person, definitely be sure to hit subscribe. Oh, that's a cute little like laundry basket. You can also use that for like a number of different things. Very nice. I wonder how well that would uphold though, with the being made out of like cardboard and everything. Like how long would that last? So then we have a DIY featuring some wooden pieces here. We always see like tons of these kind of DIYs. So many ways you can play around with the objects she's using. So she has some wooden sticks. Do they sell most of these items at the dollar store now? I think they do. I'm not sure though. Can't 100% confirm that. They should have it at like Michael's though, or Amazon. So I have no guesses on what she's making. Looks like it might be like some type of holder or some sort. Oh, for like mini planters. That is cute. Wow, I've never seen planters that small before. That is really cute. You could also spray paint this too, obviously, or just leave it with the exposed wood color. I just like painting stuff, so that's why I say you can paint it if you want. Alright, so we have some type of glass bottle here. Or glass jar, rather. So I'm gonna guess that this is a lantern. I love watching lantern DIYs. Most of the time they do use jars, so that's why I'm just gonna guess that this is a lantern. Let's see. Also, as we head into like the summer season, hopefully we will be seeing more like lantern DIYs because, like I said, they're fun to watch. If this isn't a lantern, I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, this is definitely a lantern. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, she's got it like, oh, okay, that was for Christmas decor. You could totally put those outside though if you wanted to, especially if you had like the little flickering light that's battery operated. That would be great. And then we have some napkins here. Who would have thought you could like play around with the napkins and just like make them into other things? You know what I don't see though? I'm like rambling in today's video. I don't see a lot of like DIYs with towels, like people using towels and turning them into other things. I gotta look for that because now I'm curious to see it. So she made like cute little like hanging bags or something with that. I don't know when she put plants in those, but that's cute. That's a cute design. And then we have someone doing like a macrame DIY. This looks like it might be another bag. Oh, it's a pillow. Oh, that is pretty. Oh. Well, if I knew how to do that, I would definitely sell those on Etsy. Like, make your own pillow design. Those are so pretty. Gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.